Hello my dear students, welcome back. It's a new video and this is about modal should. How we use should in sentences and different type of uses of should. We are going to learn here in that video. So let's start. Let's begin. शुरू करते हैं. Okay, so the first use of should. Let's change the color. Okay, you know the structure. Subject, modal plus V1 plus object. This is the structure. Okay, so first use to suggest someone something. When we want to suggest someone something, we use should. How? Like you should learn English. You should try to learn speaking. You should try to learn English speaking. You should try to learn English speaking. It's a suggestion, and I would like to give you one more example to understand how we use that model for suggesting someone. Like he should behave, or if it is in negative, he should not be that much rude with his students. He should not be that much rude with his student. I'm using be here because there is no verb. If you don't want to use that, he should not have, we can use here he should not have rude behavior. We can have like this: he should not have rude behavior with his students. So this is the first use of should. And the second use of should, let's talk. And this is like if you have watched my video shall. Similarly, we can use should I V plus V1 plus object question mark. Like shall I help you? Similarly, you can use should I help you? I have already made that video on shall, and then shall can be replaced by should. Should I help you. The meaning is same. If you want me to help you, I am ready to help you, or I can help you. But when you use may I help you, it means, or may I have a glass of water, it means you need a glass of water because you are thirsty. That's why you are asking that person to give you a glass of water. But here when you use should or shall I help you, should I help you, it means you are asking that person if he needs your help, you are ready to help him, or you can help him. So that means the shall can be replaced by should in a sentence in that condition. Okay, next is third. Use in present conditional sentences. In present conditional sentences, like instructions, it is a kind of instructions also. Like I write first, should you go to post office, please post this letter. Should you go to post office? It means, it is like if you go to post office, you can use should. Should you go to post office, please post this letter. If you go to post office, please post this letter. It means it's a condition. Like should the problem persist, please contact your physician. It means it is always written on an eye drop. Should the problem persist means when you use that eye drop, and if you have any problem into your eyes, you must contact your physician immediately. So should the problem persist means if the problem persists, please contact your physician. So this is the third use of should. Next, fourth use is when you use it in past, like subject should plus have plus V3 plus object. It means in Hindi we should say चाहिए था. The meaning of this is चाहिए था, like you should have come here. You should have come here yesterday. You should have come here yesterday. आपको कल यहाँ आना चाहिए था. One more. You should have locked the door before you went out. You should have locked the door before you went out. So these are the uses of should. It can be used in past tense in some other forms, but I am not going to tell you all that. We'll take that in next video or in some other videos. Like you can use that in other forms like should be, and it can be passive. It can be made in passive also. That it should be done. ऐसा किया जाना चाहिए. Like this. So we'll do that next time. Okay. So please like this video, share this video with your friends. and subscribe to my channel to watch my new videos. I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video, so you may contact me if you think you have any problem regarding this language, and if you want to have one-to-one classes to improve your speaking, grammar, writing, or whatever, I can customize a course for you. And if you want to prepare for any exam or for any interview, you may contact me if you think I can be your teacher. So thanks for watching. Thank you.